In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy the link of a post on LinkedIn. Let's dive right in. First things first. You'll want to open your web browser and head over to LinkedIn's website by typing LinkedIn.com into the address bar and hitting enter. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, you'll need to sign in. You can do this using your Google or Microsoft account if you've linked them. Or simply type in your email address and password. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, don't worry if you're prompted to verify your account. LinkedIn might send a code to your phone number for an added layer of security. Just enter that code when prompted, and you'll be good to go. Now that you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to your LinkedIn profile page. This can be easily done by clicking your avatar picture, located on the upper right corner, and selecting View Profile from the drop-down menu. Once you are on your profile page, scroll down to find the Activity section. This section includes all the posts you've interacted with or created. Browse through your activity until you find the specific post you wish to copy the link for. Once you've found the post, take a look at its top right corner. There, you'll notice an icon that resembles three dots, commonly referred to as an ellipsis. Clicking on these dots will open up a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Copy Link to Post. This is the magic moment where the link to your selected post is copied to your clipboard. And just like that, the link is ready to be pasted wherever you need it. Whether that's an email, a text message, or a document. You can paste the link by using the shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. Or by right-clicking your mouse and selecting Paste. That's all there is to it. You've successfully copied a LinkedIn post link and you're now equipped with this handy skill developed in just a matter of minutes. Having this skill can be incredibly useful, especially if you're a professional sharing content with colleagues or clients. Whether you are networking, marketing, or simply sharing interesting insights, being able to quickly access and distribute links to specific posts on LinkedIn can streamline your workflow and enhance communication. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try out these steps a few times until you are comfortable with them. Thank you for watching and happy linking.